Roy Wright is the director of the National Flood Insurance Program over at FEMA. It's a program that needs an act of Congress to keep running before that fund runs out. And I guess, Mr. Wright, that's coming very close to running out. Do you know where this stands?
Right, so two pieces of that. One of it is our reauthorization. Congress needs to take action by September the 30th related to reauthorizing the program. The House Financial Services Committee, the Senate Banking Committee have been working on this for more than a year. I'm confident they're going to get us something in place to ensure that we have continuity in the availability of the program, which really allows us to keep ourselves laser focused on the folks here in the Harvey affected area to ensure those claims can be paid.
All right. Now, a lot of people are frantic. They're out of their homes. They don't know what they do. Is there a time limit or a deadline by which they have to file their claims? What can you tell them?
So in a normal order event, there's a 60-day time limit. We will be removing that time limit and giving a year to folks right out of the gate. We need to take that uncertainty off the table for them. If they are already back to their home, they've been able to get there safely, they need to call their agent or their company and they need to start that claim process. I have a way to release up to the first $10,000 even before the agent comes. Some have not been able to be that fortunate to get back to their home yet. And for those, we will patiently wait with them. They do not need to concern themselves with any kind of time limits.
You know, I don't know if this is directly in your, bailiwick, but we have statistics to the effect that 4 out of 5 homeowners didn't have any flood insurance. Right. What happens to them?
So if you don't have flood insurance, you're going to be registering for disaster assistance. We've had more than 350,000 families register with us so far. And that disaster assistance is really a life vest. It provides some initial kind of support related to housing and the like. But it's not an insurance policy. And so while we'll be able to help them from a shelter and that near-term piece as they come in for that registration, we're then going to turn to a point and working, whether it's through the Small Business Administration or other not-for-profits, many of them will be taking out loans.
And do you police these scam artists who are suddenly calling these distraught homeowners and telling them, hey, you got to add more, you want this coverage now, or,
It's downright criminal to see what people are doing. At the point by which we have people in our country at this deep point of need, the idea that there are robocallers going out saying, if you don't make a payment, right, you don't have insurance. Nothing could be farther from the truth. As you're working with your agent, your company, with FEMA local officials, always make sure you're working with a trusted source. And if you're getting a call from FEMA or from the company at this point, it's to offer assistance. It's to get an inspector or an adjuster there. It's to help you find a place to be and begin to get money flowing to you.
All right. All wise words. We're right. National Flood Insurance Program Director over at FEMA. And again, just puncturing a lot of those myths that are out there and the lies that have been perpetrated by people who are just scam artists. Thank you very, very much. I appreciate it.